Get into tech for free, in this case data, and get paid for it with the Data School. As part of this 28-month program, you will earn 35k in your first year and 40k for the remainder. As part of the Data School program, you will learn about data visualization and data preparation tools. You will become potentially a data consultant and have a really strong understanding about data visualization and essential data tools, such as Tableau. As well as the 35k to 40k salary, they offer a generous benefits package and a human-centric workplace. If you want to know more information about how you can apply for this role, then be sure to attend the Data School's meet and greet event on Wednesday, September the 20th, between 6 and 9 p.m, being held at the Data School in London. For more information, click the link in my bio and follow me on TikTok.